Hey guys, what's up? So I've got something really special. I'm sure you can see it. Super excited to open this. The iPad Pro, the 11-inch 256GB. What do I say about this? Well, this is an unboxing. I'm not going to tell you about the specifications since everybody knows about this. Well, I've got this right now. So guys, this is how it looks. You have an iPad Pro. Both sides. So that's it, the 256GB. This is a January 2021 import. So let's unbox this beast. So this is exciting. Here goes. Wow. Can you hear that sound? That's the sound of magic. So this is my first look. Let me turn this towards you guys. Wow, it's like wrestling with Apple to open his own packaging. Come on, open it. And guys, here it goes. Whoa. So what you first get is the Apple iPad Pro. The booklet for sure. Let's check. The main thing is the Apple sticker. That's the thing I just want. Rest, not really interested in it. So now you get a C type to C type and a charger. So let's check the iPad Pro. My first look, guys. Space gray variant. Wow, this looks phenomenal. Take a look at this. Wow. So this is exactly like the 12.9, just smaller than that. So you got your two speakers up, two speakers down, nothing over here, leaving a mic. That's a power button, the volume button, and it's missing the home button now. So this is the video. I won't be starting it up right now, but you saw the iconic camera here. It's got two cameras, the flash, the sensor, and it is super thin, super duper thin. Oh my god. So guys, I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Please support the channel. It's absolutely free. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Sayonara guys. Bye.